Add yeast to the rice. It's perfect for your coffee. Let's start with a cup of rice, 200 g in a pot. Then add 2 cups of water. Mix well and cook until the rice is soft. Once done, set it aside to cool down. Next, add a tablespoon of yeast. Add a tablespoon of sugar. Also add 100 milliliters of milk. Mix everything well. Now let's add flour. I'll use about 400 grams. Add it gradually. When it's thick, start mixing by hand. Now let it rest for an hour. After that, remove the plastic wrap. Add 2 tablespoons of oil on top. Mix to incorporate the oil into the dough. Shape it and put in your preferred pan. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. After that time, look how amazing this bread turned out. Try it at home, everyone will love it. Now just slice and enjoy. I hope you liked it. Another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs to you all. See you next time. Cheers.